Hello, students. Welcome to the next session of the first chapter Sources of History. Oral sources. The following sources are included in the oral sources of modern Indian history: folk songs, povada, folk tales, narrations, interviews, fairs, jalsa, art groups, rhythmic pose, OV, inspirational songs. Inspirational songs. During the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. At present, some of these songs are available in the written form, but there are many other unpublished inspirational songs memorized by freedom fighters. Through these inspirational songs, we can get the information about the condition during the pre-independence period, and also the spirit behind the freedom struggle could be understood. Povada. Povada is a dramatic narration of the deeds of heroic men and women in a forceful and inspiring manner. Various povadas were composed on the freedom struggle of 1857, valor of revolutionaries during British rule, etc. They created motivation and spirit among people. Here, valor means bravery or courage. Povadas based on the work of Satyashodak Samaj were composed to create the awakening among oppressed people. Here, oppressed means unjust treatment. Apart from this, povadas were composed on the other events and movements like Sanyukt Maharashtra movement, etc. Video, audio, and audiovisual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recordings, films, etc. These all can be used as a source of history. Photographs. Photographs are the visual sources of modern Indian history. They give the information about persons, events, objects, structures, places, etc. in a visual format. In case of medieval period, although paintings depict the physical features of a person or gives a visual description of an event, there is always a doubt about their authenticity. Moreover, they are comparatively more reliable than paintings. Here, depict means represent by a drawing. Here, authenticity means quality of being real. Photographs of an object or structure helps in understanding its nature. Recordings. The development of technology in the modern period led to the important discovery of technique of recordings, which is an important source of history. Speeches of leaders and eminent personalities, songs, etc. are recorded. Example, the national anthem Jana Gana Mana, sung by Rabindranath Tagore, and speeches of Subhash Chandra Bose, which were recorded, are used today as audio sources for the study of modern Indian history. Films. Films are an important video and audiovisual source of history. Dadasaheb Phalke laid the foundation of Indian film industry in 1913. Audiovisual recordings of several historical events like Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India Movement, etc. are available. These recordings enable one to see and understand the events of the past. Let's see the conclusion of the chapter. Compared to ancient and medieval period, the sources of modern Indian history are found in abundance and variety. There is a great need of preserving these historical sources through which the rich tradition of history can be handed over to the next generation.